Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a website on Shopify about office supplies store. So now today we're gonna show how to create a store about office supplies. So first type Shopify on the search. So now let's enter the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, here enter your email address and start free trial. Here you can just skip all this, just click here and click next. Now wait a few seconds to log in to build in this store. Now the first thing here you have to do is here online store, click on it and click themes. Here where you can change your themes if you want. So here you can change the theme of your store. So for me I'm gonna choose this. So just select any one and click add, and now wait to install this theme. Once your theme is ready, just click here publish, and now you can customize it on your home page. So now you can customize, click here. So this is your homepage store. The first thing here you have to do, you can change the desktop, or if you want to make it like a mobile style, you can make it like a full screen style. So for me I'm gonna just keep it like this. Here if you want to search for something on the online store, you can search for products or collections list. So whatever you want you can change it here or search for it. So let's get back here the list here where you can design your website. So the first here we have the announcement bar. You can change the color scheme. You can turn this on, show separator line. You can show icons on desktop. You can also turn this on, auto rotate announcements. You can enable country and region selector, and also you can enable language selector. So that's it. Let's move on to the announcement. Here you can change the text. You can pass a link here, or if you want to search for something. So that's it. Now let's get back to the header. Here you can manage the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu, or if you want to remove it, you can manage the desktop menu type or the sticky header. You can also turn this on, show separator line. You can change the color scheme or the menu color scheme, and also here you can enable the country and region selector and language selector. You can manage the spacing and the section padding. You can here the theme settings. You can add the Twitter link. You can add your social media link. You can add the Facebook link or Pinterest link or Instagram or YouTube link or whatever you want to add here. Here the logo, you can select it from your library. You have to select it from your library, or for example, let's search on it on the browser. For example, office. For example, like this. Now just like this and put it here. Now this is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time you want. You can add a text on it. You can change it at any time you want. You can change the desktop logo width. You can manage it here. You can also edit the vertical offset. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. Here you find the template section, the rich text. So here you can manage the desktop content position. You can change the content alignment. You can change the color scheme. So that's it. If you want to add something new on your homepage, just click here add section, and here you can select what kind of sections you want to add. For example, I'm gonna add the image banner. If you want to delete section, just select it, and here you can, for example like this, you can just click here remove block or remove section. For example here you can just click here and it will be deleted. You can if you want to move the sections, you can move it like this. So let's move on to the college. Here you can generate the text of the heading, describe what this text is about, office supplies. Now click here, generate, and wait the suggestions. So I'm gonna choose this. You can manage the heading size, you can manage the desktop layout, and you can also manage the mobile layout, the card style. You can duplicate the section from here. You can move it up or move it down. You can remove it or you can hide it. So that's it. Now let's get back here the featured collections. So here also you can generate the text. Just click here and describe what this text is about. Also the descriptions and also the heading size. You can manage it here. I'm gonna make it like a medium size. Here you can change the description style. Also here you can change the collection if you want. You can create another collection. You can make products full width. You can enable view all if collections has more products than shown. So that's it. Here you can enable carousel on desktop. So that's it. Now let's get back. So let's move on to the image banner. Here you can select image. So for example, go to the browser, and that's it. So for example, this you can just put it here. You can add another image, the second image if you want. I'm gonna just let this. You can edit the image overlay opacity. So here you can manage the desktop contents position. You can manage the desktop contents alignment, and that's it. So now all you have to do here, you can manage the buttons. The first button's label, the first button link. So here you can change the label. You can change the second button label or the second button link. So that's it. Now let's get back. So here the footer section. Here you can manage the email Sweeney app. You can change the color scheme, and if you want to make section full width. So that's it. Now after you're done from this, all you have to do now is here, save it. Now change is saved. Here the theme settings. You can manage the logo if you want. You can manage the colors, the typography and the layouts, the animations, the buttons. So that's it. Now let's exit from here. Let's get back to the home page. After you customize your online store and after you add a custom domain, after you add the sharing details, now you can just click here. You can the next step, you can name your store. So here you can name it, type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone and you can change your email, your store email. So let's save this. You can launch your online store here. So all you have to do now is publish your store and launch it. So that's it for today. That's how to launch your store about office supplies. And that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.